Alright everyone, it is Sunday, February 22nd, 11:47 a.m. and we're breaking 2013 Panini Momentum. First, let's go over the roster. Alright, let's get started. For the Bills, C.J. Spiller. For the Saints, Jimmy Graham. For the Falcons, Matt Ryan. For the Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. And for the Steelers, autographed jersey of Marcus Wheaton. That is numbered 152 out of 299. And rookie for the Ravens, Arthur Brown. For the Dolphins, Dustin Keller. For the Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. For the 49ers, Colin Kaepernick. For the Falcons, Asante Samuel. And for the Browns, very nice, featuring my favorite player, Joe Hayden. 2-color patch, him and DeQuell Jackson. And short print 29 out of 49. And rookie for the Bills, Rick Rogers. Open 2 packs, see if we can go a little faster. For the Broncos, Peyton Manning. For the Chiefs, Derek Johnson. For the Patriots, Tom Brady. For the Bengals, A.J. Green. For the Packers, Jordy Nelson. For the Jaguars, Cecil Shorts. For the Bills, Steve Johnson. For the Vikings, Greg Jennings. For the Cardinals, triple jersey auto of Stephen Taylor. That is short print 17 out of 49. And for the Seahawks, jersey card of Steve Largent. Pulled one identical to this last month. This one's 183 out of 199. And rookie for the Titans, Chance Warmack. And rookie for the Cardinals, Alex Okafor. For the Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. For the Raiders, Darren McFadden. For the Panthers, Cam Newton. For the Jags, Justin Blackmon. For the Seahawks, Richard Sherman. For the 49ers, Michael Crabtree. For the Packers, Eddie Lacy. That's numbered 85 out of 99. And for the Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. For the Redskins, autograph of Philip Thomas. That is numbered 74 out of 299. And for the Seahawks, dual jersey of Kristen Michael. That is numbered 384 out of 399. Rookie for the Bears, Marquez Wilson. Rookie for the Ravens, Matt Elam. For the Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. For the Cowboys, Tony Romo. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers. For the Cardinals, Carson Palmer. For the Texans, Arian Foster. For the Redskins, Alfred Morris. For the Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. And we have a clear cut for the Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware. And for the Bills, Chris Gregg, numbered 2 out of 299. And for the Chargers, jersey card of Keenan Allen, numbered 186 out of 399. Rookie for the Vikings, Xavier Rhodes. Rookie for the Eagles, Jordan Poyer. Last 2 packs. For the Steelers, Heath Miller. For the Patriots, Rob Gronkowski. For the Colts, Reggie Wayne. For the Saints, Marquise Colston. For the Broncos, Wes Welker. For the Vikings, Christian Ponder. For the Chiefs, Jamal Charles. For the Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Second to last hit for the Lions, Darius Slay, numbered 520 out of 599. Our last hit, 2-color triple jersey for the Bengals, Tyler Eifert. That's numbered 221 out of 299. And rookie for the Broncos, Zach Dysert. And finally, rookie for the Giants, Demontre Moore. Alright everyone, thanks for buying the break. Hope you'll join us again next month.